Today we have the 2022 Mercedes-Benz V-Class. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker and fridge. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, we also have our foldable table, providing us with a dining area. Behind me is our first of 2 double beds, and from the pictures we can see that this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berths. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, radio, navigation, information, and our smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop-top roof.